Good morning, Miss Neville's math students. So today we're going to be working more with the coordinate plane. Yesterday you did fantabulous with being able to locate where fractions would be on the positive side of a number line. And so today we're going to keep it moving. Today we're going to start getting more familiar with the coordinate plane. But before we're able to do that, we want to make sure we understand that number lines can be both vertical from north to south and horizontal or east to west. So let's get more comfortable with those number lines today. And we're only going to work with the positive numbers today. Let's use purple. And so as we're working today, I want us to make a number line that's negative, that's positive. And our first large point here is our point of origin, 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's label each of our integers on this vertical number line. It's easier to interpret the value of an integer when we're using a vertical number line because the higher we go up, the farther we move from 0 in the north direction, the farther we go up, the more heavy or more value a number has. For example, 8 is greater than 0. Wouldn't you agree? If I have $8, that's much more than $0. So when we're working with a vertical number line where we're starting with 0 as our point of origin, it's important for us to be able to compare and contrast to give value to integers on that number line as well. Let's add to this number line and create a horizontal number line with 0 as our starting point, as our origin. And then we're going to list our integers here as well. Let's try to space them out as evenly as possible. 1, 2, skip the number there. So right now, this is one section of a coordinate plane. And this is known as a quadrant. And quadrant is just a mathematical term for section. This is quadrant 1. And today in our notes, in our class, we're going to be doing some math where we're looking for some locations of certain points using ordered pairs. So an ordered pair tells me where a point would be on an X and Y axis. When we're looking at an axis, we want to look at our horizontal and vertical number lines. Our horizontal number line that goes from east to west or west to east is called our x-axis, and our vertical number line is my y-axis. Now, when I'm trying to find out where a point is, for example, this point, if I want to find out where this point is, it has an address. Just like you have an address, I have an address. If someone needs to find me and they know my address, that's probably going to be the first place they look. Here, we're going to find the address or location of this point here. To do that, we have to write down its address using something called an ordered pair. And whenever I'm writing down the address of a point, I list where it is on the x-axis first and on the y-axis second. Okay? So in this case, our ordered pair starts, this point is on the 4 in the x-axis and the 2 on the y-axis. So where my 4 and 2 meet, where those two meet, that gives me my ordered pair here. I look forward to seeing everyone in class today as we start finding the addresses for points. I'll see you guys later. Bye.